各位老师，大家好，我是诺曼同学。
Hello, teachers, I am Norman. Now I will share how to use the Windows system to record the sound. Install the downloaded Voice Meter application. After the installation is complete, you need to restart your computer. Voice Meter will generate a virtual sound card and ASIO driver. If you installed VST host, we will get a super sound card. After restarting the computer, right-click the sound icon in the lower right corner of the desktop to open the sound settings. Set the output to voice meter input and the input to voice meter output. Turn on the recorder and start recording. Play browser sounds. Waveform fluctuations can be observed in the recorder. Proof of voice input. In this setting, except for the application that sets the output hardware separately, other sounds will be captured. After finishing recording, change the output device to the default speaker. Play back the recording. You can hear the sound from the browser before. In this way, the internal recording of the Windows system is set up finished. If the application supports setting the output hardware device. When setting up the hardware device, select Voice Meter Input. Open the sound settings. Still set the input device to Voice Meter Output. And start recording. On the application that set the output channel as the internal recording channel, start playing the sound. You can see the output of the waveform, but because the application has set the output channel as the internal recording channel, we cannot hear his voice unless the VST host is installed. Play back the recording. By installing the VST host, we can monitor at the same time while recording. If you need it, please subscribe to me or leave a message below. We will explain in the next video. Many anchors think that having a good hardware sound card is a must as an anchor, but it is not. An ordinary sound card can make very rich effects by installing the VST host. Whether it is karaoke or hosting or DJ remix, sidechain, electronic music and more effects, all can be achieved through VST host. In the next video, we will give a specific explanation to tell you how to get a free VST host and get a free super sound card. See you.